Hey there, it's James Erickson at EMC Dental Marketing at emcdental.com, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about simplicity and how important it is to make things simple on your new patients so that it makes it easier to do business with you and basically to spend more money with you at your practice. So I was doing a lot of research this weekend. I'm looking into getting a new phone, and I wanted to see if I wanted a BlackBerry or maybe an iPhone or maybe a Palm phone, and I ran into this article here that talks about Palm and Microsoft teaming up, but there's one important thing I wanted to point out. The article starts, from the beginning, Palm and Microsoft's design philosophies were miles apart. Microsoft lived for long lists of features while Palm strove for simplicity. At one point, Palm actually employed a tap counter, a guy whose job it was to make sure no task required more than 3 taps on the touchscreen. So Palm was trying to create this era of simplicity in their devices, make them easy to use. They actually employed somebody to make sure that no application on the phone took more than 3 taps on the screen to get to. Now that's super simple. Well, in your practice, how many steps do people have to take advantage of your services, even to get into the chair on their first visit? And so, as an action tip you can take, why is your new patient form not filled out before the new patient gets it? Of course, there are questions you can answer, like, do you have an allergy to this, or do you have an allergy to that, or what medications do you take? But there are questions on that form that you can answer. What is your name? What is your address? What is your phone number? What is your email address? If you have those things already, they need to be filled out on the form before the new patient ever sees the form. This is important because it'll take less time to sit there and fill out that form for that patient. It'll speed up your processes, but the patient will also make it seem like you care about them a little bit more, that you've made their lives a little more simple. There's nothing I hate worse than walking into a dental office or a doctor's office, my first visit there, and having them hand me forms that take me 15 minutes to fill out. That's ridiculous. Now, I want forms that if they have my name and address and phone number, which most doctor and dental offices do if I'm on the schedule, they can fill it out for me. It's already name, address, phone number already filled out. You'll find this in a lot of places. They'll already have it printed. You can print it out. You can have your front office really quickly fill it out. Basically, this is a step that will make it simple on your patients, make it much easier for them to not only come into your office the first time, but also when they're signing the papers to accept treatment or signing credit papers. They shouldn't have to fill out their name and address and phone number. They should only have to fill out the specifics like credit card number or social security number if they're applying for credit. You should make it as easy as possible for them to do business with you. So as your homework, I know this has been pretty short, as your homework for this video, I guess, assign your front office, delegate this to your front office, that every time a patient sees a form that has name, address, phone number on it, and we have that information, tell them to make sure it's filled out before the patient ever gets the form. Your patients will appreciate it. They may not say anything, but it does make their life more simple. So just delegate it to a front office staff member and have them do it, and then follow up and supervise and make sure it's being done in spot checks. So once again, have your new patient forms filled out before the patient gets there. My name is James Erickson. For any information on our dental marketing services, including articles and our full-featured blog, go to emcdental.com. Visit emcdental.com for more dental marketing articles, as well as all the information on our turnkey dental marketing services.